Hello guys, welcome to another episode on Make Money with Willie. Today we are going to discover 10 amazing apps that makes payment through mobile money account. So, are you ready to use your mobile phone as a money making machine? If yes, then this is the right place for you. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. I also have a YouTube channel in which I do tech in Chi. I show you how to make money online, but everything is in Chi. So I will advise you to search for that channel and then also make a subscription because we have a lot there for you too. So the name of that channel is Senior OB. So Senior OB is a YouTube channel in which we command comedy and then also how to make money online, but everything is in free. So make sure you search for that channel, make a subscription, share our videos, like our videos, and then also make comments on our videos. So without wasting my time, let's dive into 10 amazing apps that makes their payment through mobile money. So you can just sit in the house and then use your smartphone and then earn money online through this method. So let's dive into the video.
Hey there, moneymakers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Make Money with Wily. In today's video, we're exploring 10 amazing apps that offer payment options through your mobile money wallet. Are you ready to discover how your smartphone can become your personal cash machine? Let's dive in. Welcome back, my fellow hustlers. Today, we're unlocking the power of your mobile money wallet with these incredible apps. Get ready to earn some serious cash right from your fingertips. 1. Upwork. Upwork is a leading freelancing platform where you can showcase your skills and earn money. From writing and graphic design to coding and marketing, there are endless opportunities to find freelance gigs and get paid directly to your mobile money wallet. The second app I'm going to talk about is called TaskRabbit. If you're a handyman or enjoy helping others, TaskRabbit is the perfect app for you. You can offer your services for various tasks like furniture assembly, cleaning, and handyman work. Once you've completed a task, you'll receive your payment right in your mobile money wallet. All these tasks are very easy to undertake and you don't need any experience. All you need is an internet and smartphone. The third app I'm going to talk about is called Uber or Lyft. Do you have a car? Driving for Uber or Lyft is a fantastic way to earn money on your schedule. You'll pick up passengers and get paid for each ride. The app makes it easier for you to get customers and makes the work simple. You don't need to go to the station for passengers. Sit in the comfort of your home and the app will give you customers. The best part is that your earnings can be transferred directly to your mobile money wallet. The fourth app I'm going to talk about is called Fiverr. Fiverr is a creative marketplace where you can sell your skills and talents. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, voiceover artist, or even a video editor, you can offer your services on Fiverr. The most important part is that you don't need any teacher or someone to show you what to do on the app. The app is easy to use and hosts thousands of people who are demanding for different works. What you need to do is get onto the app and build your portfolio and make money out of it that can be cash out directly to your mobile money wallet. The 5 app I'm going to talk about is called Etsy. Are you a crafty individual? Etsy is the go-to app for selling handmade items, vintage goods, and unique crafts. Set up your own online shop, showcase your creations. It's important to make money from your craft works. Etsy really came to help us. Polish your craft work and post them on Etsy where people could buy them and pay you some cash which can be redrawn securely in your mobile money wallet. The 6th app I'm going to talk about is called Airbnb. This app is a perfect place for property owners and people who needs property to rent. So if you have a spare room or property, Airbnb is an excellent platform to rent it out and earn extra income. You don't have to go out looking for rooms to rent. Install Airbnb and secure your room from the comfort of your home. You can list your space, set your own rates, and receive payments from guests directly to your mobile money wallet. User testing is the 7th and my favorite app. User testing allows you to earn money by testing websites and apps. Simply provide feedback on user experience. This allows website owners and app users to feel secured on the website or using the app and you'll receive payments directly to your mobile money wallet. It's a fun way to make some extra cash while helping companies improve their online presence. Another and the 8th app I'm going to talk about is called Poshmark. Poshmark is a popular app for selling clothes, shoes, and accessories. Clean out your closet, snap some photos, and list your items for sale. This is a perfect option for shop owner and people that want to sell their things. Make cash with Poshmark and thank me later once you make a sale. The money will be transferred directly to your mobile money wallet. The ninth app I'm going to talk about is called Rover. Calling all pet lovers. With Rover, you can offer your services as a dog walker, pet sitter, or even a pet groomer. Connect with pet owners in your area, provide your services, and get paid conveniently through your mobile money wallet. This is one of the easiest and most successful ways to make money as a pet lover. With the 10th apps, I am going to talk about 3 apps. Talyuna, Feature Points and Up Trailers. Talyuna is a fantastic survey app that rewards you for sharing your opinions. Complete surveys on various topics and redeem your earnings for cash or gift cards. And yes, you can transfer your earnings to your mobile money wallet. Feature Points. Feature Points is an app that offers rewards for trying out new apps, playing games, and taking surveys. Accumulate points and exchange them for cash or gift cards, which can be credited directly to your mobile money wallet. App Trailers. App Trailers is the perfect app for movie enthusiasts. Watch trailers, complete quizzes, and earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. The best part is, you can transfer your earnings to your mobile money wallet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.